How to detect microscope?
First check the two lens is good or not, it is clean or not. In the lamplight, observe that the upper and lower parts of the microscope are interconnected or not. If it can see through, then microscope is good. Now we check the black base holder, its lens is clean or not. Check the last part clean or not, it can see through or not. If all parts are good, then we install weld them. PLS make sure put correct the black base. After we install weld microscope, put one metal part on worktable as reference. Watch microscope. If the both microscope is not clearly, it means that focus length is not correct. Please kindly move metal part up, down. Once the part can be clearly seen, fix the metal part. From microscope, we can see metal parts. If we cannot see it, we can adjust the loop of microscope to adjust focus length. In the right microscope, it has one red cross. The left microscope have not red cross. The two microscope can adjust distance. If we cannot see clearly, we can adjust the microscope direction. If red cross of right microscope is not in center, we can adjust its loop.